Well, you guys, I got this thing turned around because the other day I took it out for a little spin. I come to find out that there has got to be, we're gonna have to do something serious with this thing. Once I got on it and started up and I started driving it, I started going down this way, and when I started coming up to the fence line, I couldn't turn. Then I got off and picked the whole cart up and moved it so that way I could drive this way. Got down to the fence line down here. Yeah, almost ran into the fence line. What's happening here is that the engine and the weight of the driver puts too much weight over that rear axle. The front end doesn't have enough weight, so it can't turn. Plus, since these tires are slicks, there ain't no grip on the grass. So there's gonna have to be something serious put on the front end of this thing. Now it's got these 2 bolt holes right here. I'm assuming that's for paneling and stuff they can put on the front end of these things, but I think I might utilize this as a mounting point for like a big weight, but I'm gonna have to figure something out there. Now I do have that big chunk of 2x2 square stock right there, but I don't know if I put on like a big, I don't know, 2-foot section of that on the front end of that cart and fill it up with maybe cement or something, if that's going to be enough weight for the front end of that thing. And I thought I had a big chunk of 2x4 squares or a rectangular stock someplace, but I don't see it anywhere. Of course, it might be buried underneath all my steel here. Also, we have these trees, and they're seeding, and see all that crap all over the ground? Yeah, a bunch of white little fuzzies are just blowing all over the place out here. So I have to make sure I shut the shop up because, yeah, that crap gets all over this floor. It literally makes it a big mess. Heck, the other day when the wind was blowing, it literally looked like it was snowing out. Here we go. Maybe this will work somehow. Weld 2 bolts onto that thing and I don't know, maybe cut it down and fill it up with cement. I don't know if that'll actually even help. But yeah, something is really gonna have to, we're either gonna have to change the tires and put something that grips way better, or maybe even do both. Get different tires and different and put weight on it. I can literally turn this thing fully and it keeps going straight, at least on the grass. But when I'm on the straightaway and I was driving it back here to the garage, you know, going over the bumps and stuff, it was handling great. Yeah, but as it is right now, this thing is not gonna work. It's not gonna, you can't turn on this thing. I don't know about concrete because I didn't take it out on the road because, you know, yeah, I just didn't do that. But as it is right now, this thing's just dangerous because you can't turn on it. There's not enough weight up front here for these front tires to grip anything. So I'm gonna have to let the owner know, and maybe we'll have to invest in getting some better tires. I honestly didn't realize it was going to be so dang bad until I couldn't. That first fence line I almost ran right into those bushes out there. So remember that the next time if you buy a go-kart off of Craigslist or anything like that and you want to put a bigger engine on it, make sure that you know, if it's something like this, you want to make sure that you've got a lot more weight in the front, or you're not going to be able to turn that dang thing. Alright guys, so I'm going to jump out of here. Just thought I'd throw that little 2 cents out to you about how this thing's working, because it doesn't seem to be working very well. I appreciate all the thumbs up and all the comments on the previous videos about this, and I'll see some of you guys in the next live stream. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be tonight, Saturday. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye.
Smoking loud on a yacht, Louis V, everything to my motherfucking sock. Yeah, and I'm living at the top, and no ice in my drink, got enough in my watch. Yeah, and these girls going wild, shots got us turned up, so we can't turn down. VIP get served like tennis.